Hello guys, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you magnetic rings that came out in 2020, best sellers of 2020. I'm going to be showing you an image of what they look like. iPad. Now if you did not see the snow video, I'm going to check it out right now. That was so much fun. Amazon. So right now we're going to go to the Amazon official site. There we go. So we're going to type in fidget toys. Okay, so we're going to type in fidget toys. Fidget toys. Fidget toys. Okay. Now these here are not just for little girls or things. They're for ADHD kids. Which I'm not ADHD. But it's just so much fun to play with them. Okay, here they are. And it's called the Magnetic Rings Fidgets Toys Set Idea ADHD Fidget Toys Adult Fidget Toy Magnet Spinner Rings for Adjustable Reflex and Thermal Fidget Pack. Great gift for adults and teens, kids. Which I'm about to turn teen, so perfect toy for me. So yeah, pretty much what it is you guys are allowed to bring fidgets to school, which my school is allowing fidgets. You can bring these guys and just put them on your finger. Just fidget around with them. And yesterday is a school day. But pretty much packed up, and I don't have to go in the school until okay, nice. Thank you. Okay, so let's show you one other thing. So as we can see right here, that's what it is. Okay. Waiting for it to go back in focus. That's pretty much what it is. Okay, so let's go back to the then you can do game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4. I need to learn all the games. But we're probably, oops. Okay, so those are all the games. We're probably going to do those later. Like after school or something. This, as you can see right here. Yep. What's wrong with this one? Okay, so there we go. So right here, oh my gosh, right here. Oh my gosh, why is it not going into focus? Okay, so these are the parts that comes with the idea of the fidget. Yo, what's wrong with this? What's this? Here it is. Oh, now I got all three. Okay, so next one. So I have these ones right here, as you can see. The colorful ones, and on this one, you can see, there's different ones. They are great for string, great for anxiety, and the best choice is to accompany children when mother is busy. That's pretty good. Okay, and here's the video. Yes, I did not show you the other two ones. Come on. Play the video. Play the video. Go into focus. Let's see if you guys can watch it one more time. Looks much better when you're actually watching it on it's actually screen, so you could just look it up on YouTube or Amazon. Okay, so that's what that was. Now, let's play one of the games. Let's go up to the games. Okay, guys. So the magnetic ring fidget thing. The first game is to okay, so this would be fun. So I'm going to fix the screen so then you guys can see it better, but it's pretty much hockey. You did not touch the other things. We're gonna get bigger as we move on. And I think we're actually going to be doing nice hard surface. Okay, let's spin on. So you can look it's stuck on anything. Okay, so. Okay, so can you guys see what's right there? Okay, scan. Okay, so ready? So it's not going to be this one. But as you see, I'm going to get this one. Let's put it right here, actually. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to get this one through these. Not doing that, okay? And now we're going to do it this big. Okay, and we're going to smaller. So as you see, one's over here, and one's all the way over there. Pass. Okay, so that was the first game. I'm only going to show you a little bit of each game. So next game. Turned off. I'm not going to say my password or anything. Okay, so Hot Wheels. We don't have 7 pieces. Okay, so guys, so that was just me trying one real quick. There and many more games if you guys have this. You guys can try the games too. Okay, I will see you guys later. I'll hopefully be making a video after school. And hopefully we can make another video with these. Bye!